So I want to present this video because I'm so grateful for Pop-On Veneers and what they've done for my life. So I want to show you first and foremost what my Pop-On Veneers look like. These are the top and the bottoms. So a few years back, I had a root canal and it was never secured. So then about 10 or 12 years or so ago, even a little bit longer than that, the tooth in the front started to break off. And this is what I ended up with. And that one tooth, because I did not have the money to get the insurance to pay for the dental work, became a huge hole in the front of my mouth. I am 55 years old. The last thing I wanted was a huge hole in the front of my mouth. So now I work on a job where I have insurance and I have dental insurance and I have FSA and HSA benefits, and I could afford to get my teeth taken care of, at least to try to get my smile back. I went to Pop-On Veneers online and I said, okay, I will try that. And they sent me the kit. I made the molds. I sent them back. They came back with the absolute perfect teeth. These are the bottoms, which I really didn't need, see? Because my bottoms are pretty good. They pop in. And then this is the top. And this is what I have now. This is that beautiful smile that I got with Pop-On Veneers, and I'm so grateful and so blessed. Thank you. Have a good day.